Maintaining your health starts with the right support. I'm Dr. Sterling, and today we're looking at a breakthrough in wellness. Vertex Pro Antrorata is a premium supplement designed for comprehensive body care and cellular protection. It strengthens your immune system, providing a powerful shield against daily environmental stresses and pathogens. With targeted liver detox properties, it helps your body filter toxins more efficiently, promoting long-term internal health. Experience faster cell repair and a natural boost in energy to combat fatigue throughout your busy day. For professional-grade support you can trust, choose Vertex Pro Antrorata. Trust your health for a better future.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Cecil Katapang and welcome to Chantal Health Talk. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Today we will be discussing a very important topic, liver health. You know, the liver detoxifies the body. That is why it is important to maintain the health of your liver. We will be discussing the warning signs of liver damage and sharing 4 crucial tips on how you can safeguard your liver. Plus, revealing a secret weapon on how you can protect your liver with Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata. Una, pag-usapan natin, ano-ano nga ba ang signs na nagkakaproblema ka na sa atay? So, look out for the signs. Yellowing of the skin and eyes or jaundice, persistent abdominal pain and swelling, unexplained weight loss, dark urine and pale-colored stool. Para maiwasan ang pagkadamage sa ating atay, ito naman ang ating tips to keep your liver healthy. Iwasan ang sobrang pag-inom ng alak, kumain ng malusog at balansing pagkain, manatili sa tamang timbang at mag-exercise regularly. Uminom ng sapat na tubig para ma-flush out ang toxins. Lastly, ang pag-take ng Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata. Ano nga ba makakatulong ang Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata sa ating atay? Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata is a revolutionary supplement packed with natural ingredients known for their liver protective properties. It aids in detoxification, promotes liver regeneration, and supports overall liver health. It's like a superhero for your liver. Kaya mga kaibigan, importante to keep your liver healthy. Remember to listen to your body. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. I cannot overemphasize the value of keeping your liver healthy. You want a healthy body, you need a healthy liver. So listen to your body. And consider incorporate Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata for that extra liver protection.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Vertex Pro Antrorata ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
For your pre-order, kindly contact Coach Troy Magpantay. Please reach out to him directly to secure your items and finalize the details of your purchase as soon as possible.